What's this? Wow, he picked me. Welcome back. We are somewhere in the swamps of Jersey. It's actually really nice over here. We packed up the bus for an overnight trip and we're waiting for Patrick from New Jersey Outdoor Adventures to come and check out our bus. Paddle faster, I hear ukulele music. All right, pleasure to meet you, Patrick. You've seen my bus.
Very impressed, by the way.
All right, thank you very much.
You got a lot going on in here.
Yeah, I wanted your opinion on what do you think it's worth and how much do you think it cost me to build? And I have on a piece of paper here what it cost to build. That's the cheat sheet. But first, tell me what you think it's worth.
So what I see here, I see a 2010 Thomas bus, 2009 chassis, 140,000 miles on it. It looks like it's well kept. I don't see any rust on it. The inside's nice and clean. The seat's not all torn up. I didn't see the check engine light come on when you started the engine. Got 200 watts of solar roof, 170 amp hour battery. You got a little mini fridge inside. You got a little porta potty, double bed in the back. You repurposed some chairs, so you were able to save a lot of money in some places. I'm thinking all in, you might have an investment about $14,000.
Okay.
But you probably have about $14,000 in labor and time and research into it. So
I built it in 4 months.
4 months.
And my part-time.
Part-time. That's still a lot of time.
Yeah.
I would estimate, like, if you were trying to sell this privately, like 30 to 35 grand.
Wow. All right, now look at the sheet there.
All right, air conditioner. I didn't mention it before, but $175. Backup camera, $110. Vinyl wrap, $115. Now, if you brought that to a place, that would have been a $1,500 charge to do a vinyl wrap. Paint, $64. Faucet, $28. Stovetop, $77. That's
Amazon.
Yeah. The fridge is the big money, $370. Storage containers, $30. Solar panels, $230. So you shop for deals.
Yes.
So I mean that's pretty good. Some Home Depot, that adds up for screws and fittings.
Yeah, other
stuff like that.
things.
$270. Some water tank, $90. You got 21-gallon freshwater tank there. So all the rest of the stuff is 80, 20. So all the grand total here, $62.66
For the whole thing.
Unbelievable. And the bus portion was $41.50.
Correct. And
I'm
that was
thinking the bus part was 10 grand.
no, that was I was a good buy on an auction. Sight unseen. I had a friend look at it. It was about 90 miles away from my house, so I couldn't get there, but
because it's hit or miss with these buses. You can get one that's totally neglected. But if you know what you're looking for, you can catch a deal. Well, Rich, I'm impressed with the budget build beach bus. Thanks for sharing the story with me and giving me a tour today. And I couldn't do it for this. I don't have the time to research stuff, so I've been paying full price for everything. So, thank you.
all right, awesome. Thank you, Patrick.
All right.
Yeah, now it's official. Thank you to Patrick. Told me about a really sweet spot to park. Ocean view. That was an awesome trip to New Jersey. We love going down there. We burned up a little more than a half a tank of fuel. What did we average for a fuel economy? 11.4 miles to the gallon. And a lot of that was stuck idling in traffic on the BQE going there and back. New York traffic stinks. Patrick was absolutely amazing filming the video and suggesting some places to go. We'll definitely be going back to where he sent us. Awesome. Thank you for watching.